In this video, I will talk about the ossification and applied. This is our fifth part. Part fifth. This is about the ossification and applied. This is about the ossification and applied. For the ossification, I will draw a diagram of the radius. This is the radius. This is the anterior view. For the ossification, our radius has one primary ossification center and two secondary ossification center. Primary ossification center is in the shaft. There is primary ossification center. This is anterior oblique line. This is primary ossification center. It appears during 8th week of life. Intrauterine life. It appears during 8th week of life. And secondary ossification center, which is on the one is on the head and one is on the lower end. This secondary ossification center, it appears during 4th year of life. It appears during 4th year of life, and it fused with the shaft. During 18 year of life. It fused with the shaft during 18 year of life. And this secondary ossification center, it appears during first year of life. It appears during first year of life, and it fused with the shaft. During 20 year of life. It fused with the shaft during 20 year of life. This is one secondary ossification. This is another secondary ossification center. It appears during 4th year and it fused with the shaft during 18 year. This secondary ossification center, it appears during first year and it fused with the shaft during 20 year. Primary ossification center is one, and which is appear during 8th week of the intrauterine life. Now on the applied, most common fracture in the radius is distal end. Distal end fracture is most common seen in the radius. If we fall on the outstretched hand, अगर हम अपने स्ट्रेच हाथ केवल अगर गिरते हैं, तो मेरा ये जो डिस्टल फ्रेगमेंट है, इट मूव्स एंटीरियरली, देन दिस कॉल्ड स्मिथ फ्रैक्चर. This fractured distal fragment, it moves anteriorly, then it called स्मिथ फ्रैक्चर. और दिस डिस्टल फ्रैक्चर्ड सेगमेंट, जो मेरा टूटा हुआ सेगमेंट है, ये अगर मेरा पोस्टीरियरली निकल गया, अगर मैं आउट स्टैंड हेड में गिर गया, मेरा ये डिस्टल फ्रैक्चर जो हुआ, ये इसका जो बोन मेरा पीछे की साइड निकल गया, पोस्टीरियरली निकल गया, देन दिस फ्रैक्चर इज कॉल्ड कोलीस फ्रैक्चर. अगर मैं आउट स्ट्रेच हैंड में गिरा अपने हैंड के बल, तो मेरा जो डिस्टल एंड का फ्रैक्चर हुआ, डिस्टल एंड कॉमनली फ्रैक्चर डिस्टल एंड पे ही होता है. इफ दिस फ्रैक्चर्ड बोन, जो मेरा डिस्टल एंड फ्रैक्चर हो गया है, वो अगर एंटीरियरली निकल गया, एंटीरियरली मूव्स एंटीरियरली, देन इट विल कॉल स्मिथ फ्रैक्चर. एंड our distal fractured segment moves posteriorly, then it will call Colles fracture. These are the common fracture of the This is all about the radius, and my motive is only for the help for the first year student who take admission in the medical college. And if you like my work, then please share, like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestion related this video or about my previous video, then please comment me and forward this video those students who thought anatomy is difficult. Anatomy is difficult really, but in this way I will try a simplified way of the anatomy for the first year student. Then please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.